This video describes the difference between offerings and scheduling offerings. Once you are in the back end of your OfferingTree account, click on the Offerings tab in your left sidebar menu. You'll see that on this page there are two options, Create Offering and Schedule an Offering. You can think of offerings as the categories of things that you have to offer to all of your students and clients. For example, you might offer retreats, workshops, one-on-one appointments, consultations, whatever it is that you might provide to your students and clients. These are the categories of things that you provide. So in this case, if I want to create a new category, I click on Create Offering. And I can choose the overarching area of the category. For example, I might say it's within yoga. And then the particular offering is Yoga Nidra. And then I can provide a description for this offering. This is a relaxing yoga practice. If there is a default price for this offering, you can set that here. If you don't, you can always allow it to be set on an individual event basis just by leaving it blank. And then if there's an image that you want associated with this category of offering, you can choose your own image or select from the stock photos. And then you hit Create. And now that you hit Create, you'll get a pop-up window that says, would you like to schedule this offering? So now that you've created the category of the offering called Yoga Nidra, which you can now see down below here on your offerings list, you still haven't scheduled it yet. So scheduling is then making it available for people to attend or sign up. So if you hit OK, it'll pull you over to the schedule section of the site. You can see that a video pops up automatically that describes how to schedule an offering. If you don't want that, you can close out of the video and go ahead and add the offering or schedule the offering by clicking the calendar button here. This will allow you to select the new offering, in this case Yoga Nidra. You can select the particular start date as well as the start time. You can select the end date and the end time, and you can set all of the other options. If you would like more information about this, please watch the video on scheduling offerings. But this is the difference between offerings and scheduling an offering. Offerings are the category of things, and scheduling is when are the particular dates, times, and locations of those offerings, and where can your students and clients find out about them. If you have additional questions, please be sure to send an email to support@offeringtree.com. And thanks for all that you offer.